Hey, everyone! What would you do if society just collapsed? Sounds intense, right? That's exactly why I want to talk to you about BlackOps Elite Survival Strategies. This guide is all about preparing for those worst-case scenarios, but it's not about fear, it's about clarity and being ready for whatever life throws your way. The guide was created by Colonel Jonathan Riker, someone with decades of military survival experience. But what I love is that it's not just for military folks, it's for you and me. Whether you're living in a small apartment or a house, this plan works for anyone. It teaches you how to stay calm, protect your family, and thrive even when the world feels out of control. I'll be honest, before I read this, I had no idea what I'd do in an emergency. But now? I feel empowered. The best part is, it's not about hoarding supplies or living in fear. It's about learning strategies to think and act in tough situations. And trust me, it works. I'm not alone in this, real people have already used this plan to get through some serious crises. They're not living in fear, they're living with strength, control, and confidence. And if they can do it, so can you. So, if you want to be ready for anything, check out the link in the description. I highly recommend this guide. It's a total game changer for anyone who wants to take control of their future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on how to stay prepared.